get the lug nuts off. Let's go. .7mm Allen or hex, whatever you want to call it. Get this bolt out and get this bolt out. Leg out. Flathead screwdriver. Pry the piston on this back a little bit so you get some little bit of wiggle room. You don't have to get it too far back, but get it a little bit back. Basically get the flathead screwdriver right there and then pull towards you a little bit. Free up a little space. Pick it up from here, pull up. Sit it on a leaf spring. We're gonna get this one off, and then we're gonna take a C-clamp or a regular clamp, and we're gonna push this piston back in. To get this brake pad off, I've noticed that it's easier because there's like little pins that go in here from the pad. Come on this side and then pull up, and then we will have it open. Pull the rest of it off. We got the one brake pad off. Now we're going to use this clamp to move this piston in to give us room for the fresh pads. Before you do this, make sure you go open your brake fluid reservoir and do it slow. Same thing but in reverse to get the new pads on. Can't do that with one hand, but you get the point. To get this outside pad on, it's going to be a lot of prying on this, and wedged in between here. You got to get these pins right here and the one on this side lined up in these holes. Throw the caliper back on like this. Get it lined up with the rotor first. Get it like that. Push down. Make sure it's seated good. As you can see, this side is not seated well, so what we're going to do is